Hi students, welcome to Prasad JEE Maths classes, and in this video I will give the quadratic expressions and equations asked in 2021 MSET part 2. The first question is, if P and Q are the roots of x square plus 7x plus 3 equal 0, if 3p by 1 minus 2p, 3q by 1 minus 2q are the roots of lx square plus mx plus n equal 0 and GCD of Lmn is 1, then L minus m plus n is, options are 11, minus 3, minus 1, 12. So, the given equation is x square plus 7x plus 3 equal 0. Roots are p comma q. Say equation number 1. Now, 3p by 1 minus 2p and 3q by 1 minus 2q are the roots of this equation. These two are symmetric roots. Symmetric roots means p is replaced by q, p is replaced by q, both are same. So, this type of, those are called symmetric roots. So, let one root is say y, let y is equal to 3p by 1 minus 2p. So, cross multiply y minus 2py is equal to 3p. So, from this take y common or p common. So, y is equal to, take p common, p into 3 plus 2p. So, from this p into 3 plus 2y, from this p is equal to y by 3 plus 2y. So, since p is the root of this equation, so from 1, p is the root of this equation, p square plus 7p plus 3 is equal to 0. So, p means y by 3 plus 2y whole square plus 7 into y by 3 plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Simplification, y square by 3 plus 2y whole square plus 7y by 3 plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Take LCM. So, from this y square plus 7y into 3 plus 2y plus 3 into 3 plus 2y whole square is equal to 0. Expand it, y square plus 21y plus 14y square plus 3 into 9 plus 4y square plus 3 to the 6 to the 12 y is equal to 0. And simplification, 14y square plus y square, 15y square, 3 4 the 12, 15 plus 12, 27y square and 21y plus 36, 36 plus 21, 57 y plus 9 3 is 27 is equal to 0. Divide with 3. So, 9y square plus 19y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is of the form Ly square plus my plus n equal to 0. So, L is equal to 9, m is equal to 19 and n is equal to 9. Therefore, L minus m plus n, 9 minus 19 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18 minus 19, minus 1. Option 3 is correct answer. Second question, if alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then alpha by a beta plus b whole cube minus beta by a alpha plus b whole cube. Since ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, roots are alpha beta, options are these. So, a alpha square plus b alpha is equal to minus c. Take alpha common, a alpha plus b is equal to minus c. So, from this a alpha plus b is equal to minus c by alpha. Since beta is a root, similarly a beta plus b is equal to minus c by beta. Therefore, the required value is alpha by a beta plus b whole cube minus beta by a alpha plus b whole cube. That means alpha by a beta plus b nothing but minus c by beta whole cube minus beta by a alpha plus b means minus c by alpha whole cube. This beta brings to numerator, alpha beta by minus c whole cube, and minus alpha brings to numerator alpha beta by minus c whole cube. Both are get cancelled, so answer is 0. Option 1 is correct answer. Coming to third question, maximum value of set of all x belongs to R such that root x plus 2 greater than root 8 minus x square is. Options are 2, root 2 plus 1, 3, 2 root 2. And x belongs to R means we have to find x values satisfying this inequality, and in that we have to find maximum value. So root a greater than root b. From this, root a is defined whenever a is greater than or equal to 0, root b is defined, b is greater than, because inner root quantity always positive, and next a greater than b because squaring on both sides. And next one, so a means here x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0, and b means 8 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, and a is greater than b, x plus 2 greater than 8 minus x square. X plus 2 greater than or equal to 0 means x greater than or equal to minus 2, and multiply with minus x square minus 8 less than or equal to 0. This we can write x plus x square minus root 8 whole square, x plus root 8 into x minus root 8 less than or equal to 0. So x belongs to minus root 2 minus 2 root 2 comma 2 root 2. And coming to third one, this brings to right side 0 greater than, or this brings to left side x square plus x 2 minus 8 minus 6 greater than 0. So from this, x plus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0, x less than minus 3 and x greater than 2. So these three inequalities satisfies. This is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. Therefore, draw a real line greater than or equal to minus 2. Suppose this is minus 2, infinity. This one is first one. And coming to second one, minus 2 root 2 means 2 into 1.4 minus 2.8. Minus 2.8 means this one. Plus 2.8. Plus 2.8 means say 2 root 2. So this one. Closed bracket. That means this inequality. And third one, less than minus 3. Less than minus 3 means suppose this is minus 3 lesser values and x greater than 2. 2 means suppose here is 2 greater than 2. Greater than 2 means this. So this is, so observe common shade. Common shade is nothing but this one. So therefore from 1, 2, 3 from figure x belongs to 2 comma 2 root 2. 2 open bracket, 2 root 2 is closed bracket. Therefore maximum value is root 2. So that is maximum value is 2 root 2. So option 4 is correct answer. Coming to fourth question, x belongs to R. Maximum and minimum values of this expression are respectively. Respectively, this is a very important point. First find maximum value and after that minimum value respectively. So let this expression is say y. Let y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 9 divided by x square plus 2x plus 3. Cross multiply x square y plus 2xy plus 3y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 9. Take x square as common, y minus 1 plus 2x as common, y minus 7 plus 3 common, y minus 3 is equal to 0. Since x belongs to R, discriminant delta greater than or equal to 0, b square minus 4ac. b square means 2 into y minus 7 whole square minus 4ac. y minus 1 into 3 into y minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Divide with 4. 2 square means 4 and y square plus 49 minus 14y divided with 4 minus 3 into y square minus 3y minus 4y plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Minus 3y square plus y square minus 2y square plus 12y minus 14y minus 2y minus 9 plus 49, that means plus 40 greater than or equal to 0 divided with 2 minus y square minus y plus 20 greater than or equal to 0 square plus y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. So y plus 5 into y minus 4 less than or equal to 0, y belongs to minus 5 comma 4. So that means this is minimum and this is maximum. So our question is maximum minimum. So maximum comma minimum or 4 comma minus 5. That means option 1 is correct answer. Coming to fifth question, the number of integer values of x satisfy this inequality. So given inequality is 9x minus 2 less than x plus 2 whole square. This is first case. So from this 9x minus 2 less than x square plus 4 plus 4x. This brings to right side 0 less than x square 4x minus 9x minus 5x 4 plus 2 6. Reverse this x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. From this x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. From this x less than 2 and x greater than 3. So less than 2 and greater than 3. So this is the first case. X less than 2, x greater than 3, equation 1. Now second case, x plus 2 whole square less than 12x minus 3. So x square plus 4 plus 4x minus 12x plus 3 less than 0. From this x square minus 8x 4 plus 3 7 less than 0. From this x minus 7 into x minus 1 less than 0. From this x belongs to 1 comma 7. Say this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, this is x less than, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, this x less than 2, x greater than 3. This means x belongs to 1 to 7. This is real line. Suppose this is 2 and say this is 3. Less than 2 and greater than 3. And next one is 1 to 7. 1 means say this is 1 and say this is 7. 1 to 7 means this one. So its common value is nothing but 3 to 7. 3 to 7 open bracket. So therefore x belongs to 3 to 7. Since integer values, since x belongs to integer, open bracket 3 means 3 does not lies. So x is equal to 4, 5, 6. Therefore number of values of x are only 3. Option 2 is correct answer. So sixth question, set of all x belongs to R such that 12 minus x square under root by x plus 10 less than or equal to under root 12 minus x square by 2x plus 9 is equal to. First option minus 4 comma 1 union 3 minus 4 comma 1 minus 4 comma 1 closed. This is open closed union 3. Last option null set. So this inequality is true. This brings to left side 12 minus x square by x plus 10 minus under root 12 minus x square by 2x plus 9 less than or equal to 0. Take under root 12 minus x square common 1 by x plus 10 minus 1 by 2x plus 9 less than or equal to 0. So that means 12 minus x square 2x plus 9 minus x minus 10 divided by x plus 10 into 2x plus 9 less than or equal to 0. So from this cross multiplying 12 minus x square into 2x minus x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. This inner root quantity always positive, that means 12 minus x square greater than or equal to 0 and x minus 1 must be less than or equal to 0. So from this multiply with minus x square plus x minus 12 less than or equal to 0. So x plus 4 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. X belongs to minus 4 comma 3 closed, and here x is less than or equal to 1. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2 from 1 and 2. So x belongs to minus 4 comma 1 closed bracket, and here and next if this inequality equality is there, that means inner root quantity 0, inner root quantity 0, 0 by anything, 0 by anything, both are equal. So equality holds, numerator must be 0. 12 minus x square equal to 0, multiply with minus x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. From this x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4 comma 3. So minus 4 is already there, 3 is not there. Therefore finally this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, so minus x belongs to minus 4 comma 1 union set of all 3, because minus 4 is there, 1, maximum 3 is not there. So union 3. Option 3 is correct answer. 7th question, sum of moduli of complex roots of this equation. Options are 5, 1, 2, 1 by 2. So in this equation put x plus 1 by x as t. X plus 1 by x is t. Squaring on both sides, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2x into 1 by x is equal to t square. X get cancelled. From this x square plus 1 by x square is t square minus 2. So in given equation substitute it, x square plus 1 by x square nothing but t square minus 2 minus 5 into t plus 6 equal to 0. So t square minus 5t plus 4 equal to 0. This we can write t minus 1 into t minus 4. So that means t is equal to 1 comma 4. T means our assumption x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 1 and 4. So x square plus 1 by x is equal to 1, 4. So from this x square plus 1 is equal to x and 4x. So from this x square plus 1 minus x equal to 0, and one more case x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0 and x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. The question is sum of moduli of complex roots. So here x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4, 3, minus 3, that means root 3i by 2. These are the roots, and coming to this x square, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 12 means 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 common, 2 plus or minus root 3. So these are the values, and the question is sum of moduli. Sum of moduli of complex roots. The question is complex roots. Here roots are real. So the question is complex roots. Sum moduli. So mod x. Suppose 1 plus root 3i by 2 mod. Mod means under root x square plus y square, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That means 1. Similarly, one more case, 1 minus root 3i by 2. That means 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That is also 1. Therefore, root moduli values are 1. So required sum. Required sum is 1 plus 1. So answer is 2. Option 3 is correct. So these are the 7 questions asked in 2021 quadratic equations MSET. Totally 14 questions are over. If you like this video, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you.